This conference will now be recorded.
So last class we have completed all the
Yeah.
tools.
Tools
Okay?
completed, sir. Yes.
So after tools, the next thing we need to see is layer styles. We'll
Yes.
take layers, right?
Hmm.
For that layers, we can use some styles, some predefined styles which are there in the layers. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay.
So I'm taking a new page.
Mhm.
I'll take a new shape. I'll take a layer, apply some color in that. Now this object is in layer.
Okay.
Now for this layer, we can apply layer styles. So how to apply layer styles for this object? Just double click on the box.
Okay.
Just double click on it. When you double click on it, you will get layer styles box. See, in the layer box here I'm double click.
Mhm.
You'll get layer styles. See, one box called layer styles. Separate box. Just 1 second. I will change the screen resolution. Very small.
Okay.
So when you double click on the layer, see, you'll get layer styles like this.
Mhm.
Okay. So in this layer styles, we have all these styles: bevel, counter, texture, stroke, inner shadow, inner glow, satin. These are all nothing but our layer styles only. Okay.
Okay.
So first we'll see shadow. There are two types of shadows. One is inner shadow, drop shadow. So two
Okay.
types of shadows we can give. One is inner shadow, another one is drop shadow. So here, first we'll see drop shadow. So if you want to apply this drop shadow, just don't tick that one. You need to click on that one. Okay. When you click on the drop shadow,
Okay.
here in the side you can get the drop shadow options. See now, for the blue color, in the down, you are getting black color shadow surrounding it. So I will change the color, shadow color to red color. I'll increase the opacity to normal 100%. Here in
Mhm.
color modes, in blend modes, you take normal mode so that the color
Okay.
will come in normal.
Okay.
After that, you can move that shadow with hand only like this. See, you can move with hand.
Ah.
You can place the shadow wherever. So whenever you are moving with hand, if you observe in the box, angle and distance are changing automatically. See,
Yes.
if I'm moving. So if I'm moving with hand, angle and distance are changing. Actually, you need to do distance and you need to do angle to change it. Okay, but I am doing that normally now. So now I can decrease opacity if you want light. I can increase opacity if you want full. So this is shadow, shadow for the object. Wherever
We
you want,
have
you
to,
can place it.
sir, we have to keep the this shadow, this option box open to adjust settings.
Yes.
Okay.
If you click that, you'll get these options. You
Mhm.
can adjust the options next. Wherever
Okay,
you
sir.
want, you can adjust the shadow wherever. So distance angle is that. How much distance, how much in which angle you want. There is another option called spread and size. Now I'll increase the size first.
Mhm.
What happening? If the size is less, it is like this. If I go and increase the size, what is
Blur.
happening? Blur.
Blur.
It is becoming blur. So more
Yes.
size, the shadow will become more blur. Less
Okay.
size, it will be neatly visible. So
Okay.
how much blur you want, you can apply. Next, spread. How much spread you can spread the shadow. See, I'm spreading the shadow area more area. Increase size, increase spread. See, so it will
Darker
spread
you
more
mean?
area. Yeah, it will
Darker. Huh?
spreading outside. It is spreading more area now.
Yes.
So depending how much you want spread, you can adjust how much you want. You can change the size. So like this, I can increase size. I can spread little bit. I can do. So this is normal. How you will get. I'll
Mhm.
increase more. Not only normal, there is an option called dissolve. What happened? If I give dissolve,
Yes, yes.
you are getting like a particles.
Yes,
When
particle
you
effect.
spray, with a sprayer, how you will get? It is getting like that.
Mhm.
Just like particles it will come. Just like sprayer, how you spray with sprayer, you'll get. Means the shadow will become like this now.
Mhm.
Normal, it will look like color.
Yeah.
Dissolve, it will come like that. Like that, we have other modes also. Depending on the mode you have taken, the shadow will change. I'm just changing the modes. So different modes, you'll get different way of getting the shadows. Some modes doesn't do any work. Some modes will apply something to the effect. So normal, dissolve, these two we use mostly. Normal, you will get normal. Dissolve, you will get like a particles. So this is outside shadow.
Okay.
Object, outside shadow.
Okay, sir.
So that is drop shadow.
So this we can give
Now,
for any object we select, or we can.
anything which is in layer you can give. So we are
Okay,
giving
sir.
for object. Now we can give for text also. But it should
Okay.
be in layer. That's all. The only condition is it should be in a layer.
Layer. Okay.
If it is in layer, for that layer thing you can give. For example, I am
Okay.
taking text. I'm increasing the size. Now for this text, we'll apply shadow. Double click. You'll get drop shadow. Take normal mode. Take
Mhm.
color,
Mhm.
whichever color you want, and take green color. Increase
Mhm.
size. So you can increase the shadow wherever you want.
Okay, sir.
Opacity full. See, for text, you are getting shadow
Mhm.
backside. So not only for text, you can apply for photos also. You can cut any photo. For that photo also, you can apply shadow. So
Mhm.
wherever you do, you can apply that one. But it should be in a layer. So this is drop shadow. Similarly, we have inner shadow also. We have what? Inner shadow.
Inner shadow.
Double
Inner
click.
shadow.
So drop shadow means you'll get shadow outside. Inner shadow means
Okay.
same options you have. Everything is same, but the
Mhm.
shadow you'll get inside. I'm increasing the size. Now see where you are getting shadow inside the object. Previously
Yes.
the shadow is getting outside the object. Now you are getting inside. Inside the object you are getting shadow. Like this you can increase the size, decrease. You can increase the distance, increase the
Mhm.
choke, increase the size. But you will get the
Mhm.
shadow inside the object. You can give dissolve also, so that you will get like a sprayer, particle sprayer. Okay, how you will get? You will get like that. So you can change the angle, distance, how much you want. You can change with the mouse. Okay, it will apply. See,
Okay, sir.
you are getting some shadow, but this is inner shadow. That too,
Mhm.
I am giving dissolve mode, not normal mode. So click that. If you keep normal, you'll get like this. So this is inner shadow, outer shadow, means drop shadow. So we have total two types of shadows. So drop shadow means outside, inner shadow means you'll get inside.
Inside.
Similar to that, we have glownesses also. For example, I'll take circle. I'll draw one circle, layer, take white color. Now this is just a circle. The edges are not glowing. They are just normal.
Mhm.
Okay. I'll just decrease the size of the circle little bit. So this is just normal circle. It is not glowing. Now double
Okay.
click on the layer. We have two options: inner glow, outer glow. Just
Okay.
like shadow, we have two types of glowness: inner glow, outer glow.
Okay.
Inner glow, you will get inside the object. Outer glow, you will get outside the object. So I will give outer glow now. Take normal mode, opacity full, give white color for the glowness. Increase the size. See,
Mhm. Yes.
you are getting glowness outside the circle. So just like a moon,
Yeah.
just like the moon effect you are getting. Okay. See,
Yes, sir.
I'll just decrease this, increase this. See, you'll get moon effect. So how much you want, you can take. If you want more, you can take more like this. Less, you can take like this. I'm just giving little bit. Okay. So outside circle is glowing. Not only circle, you can apply for photo or any other thing. So we'll cut
Okay.
any photo and we'll apply on photo also.
Okay, sir.
So I'll cut photo with quick selection tool. So first I'll take the brush size normal. I'll roughly select the photo fastly. Then if you want to do any changes, you can do. So zoom it. When you zoom, you can see the edges more correctly. Decrease the brush size. Increase little bit, decrease if you want. So you know already how to use that tool.
Yes,
Just
yes. All right.
selecting the photo roughly.
Yeah, yes.
So just here wherever I want, I'll add. Wherever I don't want, I'll remove. So here little bit increase, little bit. Okay, fine. Now everything is correct. I'll give feather, shift F6 feather, 2, 3, I will give feather. Take move tool, we'll move from here to the page. Okay, now the photo is cutted. It is coming. But there is no glowness for the photo. I'll apply
Yes.
glowness. Double click on the layer, outer glow. I'll take glowness green color.
Okay.
Take normal mode, full opacity, increase size. So that you will get glowness on the edges of the photo. So like that, for anything which is in layer, you can apply that layer styles. So outer glow, you will get outside the object, you will get the glow.
Okay, sir. Like in the inner shadow and outer shadow, we cannot move this glow.
No, we cannot move.
Okay.
See here, if I go to the outer glow, there is no distance angle option to
Okay.
make it move.
Okay.
Whereas in shadow, there is angle and distance
Yeah, yeah.
by which we can move. That option is
Okay.
not there in the shadow. Okay. And
Okay.
one more thing. Okay, I'm giving like this glowness. Okay. Next we will see inner glowness. And take a big circle. Take a layer, any color, and just take light color. Apply. Now for this inside the circle, I will give glowness now. Double click. Inner glow. Here normal mode. Color. I'll just take pink color, little bit pink. Increase the size. See where you are getting glowness inside now. Previously you are
Yes.
getting outside. Now you are getting inside the object.
Inside.
Increase the choke.
Inside.
Increase the choke. Increase the size, and you can make the glowness inside. So how much you want, that much you can take. Here we have dissolve also, just like sprayer, to get like sprayer. Okay. So just like spraying you will get. Double click on that. The inner glow. So you can decrease the size, increase the how much you want you can put. Next text, click. Just type F. Give text color black color. Increase the size, how much you want. Duplicate. Then I'll use Z. Duplicate. Then I'll use S. So now I'll just adjust this just like a logo. Increase the text size. So you just adjust according to that. So this S is very big. I'll just decrease a little bit. Okay. So see, there is just a logo I have created for anything. Like that, you can do any shadow, inner glow, outer shadow, inner shadow. Like that, you can create. So this is glowness and shadow. Outside, inside. We have outside glowness, inside glowness. Outside shadow, inside shadow. Next, after glowness and shadow, the next option is stroke. What is the next option we have? Stroke.
Stroke.
Take rectangle, apply color, double click. In that layer, we have stroke. There is an option called stroke. See what happens if I give stroke? You are getting border.
Border.
So if you want to create any border for any object, just apply stroke. Here,
Okay.
stroke size will be there. The more size, the border thickness will be more. Less size, the smaller size. See, I'll increase the size. See, I'm increasing the size. See, border is becoming very thick.
Mm-hmm.
And if you observe, if I am increasing the size, it is increasing the size outside the object.
Yeah.
See, because here position is outside.
Outside. Yes.
If you keep inside, now you'll get
Inside
border
border.
inside. There
Inside
is
border.
center. Center means half inside, half outside. Both
Okay.
it will come.
Oh,
So
okay.
we have outside, only outside, inside, only inside, center, half outside, half inside. I'll give outside because we generally will give border for outside the object. Next, here opacity, you know, light, dark, how much you want, you can pick.
Okay.
Here color is there, you can pick any color and you can give that color for the border.
Hmm.
And next, one more thing, not only color, there is gradient, means multicolor. So we are applying color previously, one single color. Not only single color, you can apply gradient color. So gradient means multicolor,
Okay.
like this, multicolor.
We can select the pattern and will come.
Here already ready-made multicolors are there now. You can pick any multicolor. That multicolor is going to come in the border. Not only that, we can apply patterns also. There are so many ready-made patterns, right? You can apply any patterns also.
Okay.
So you can apply color, gradient, pattern for the border also. So for border, you can apply color, you can apply multicolor, you can apply pattern. Just like how you apply inside the object, color, pattern, gradient, you can apply outline also, you can apply the same thing. The outline styles are called as stroke. The outlines are called as stroke.
Stroke.
Next, one more important point is, can we give two objects, two different shadows, two different glownesses? You'll see that. For example, I am taking one object first. Take layer. I will apply something in that. Double click on that. I will apply drop shadow. I'll change the normal and change the color to red. Just give the shadow. Give the position. So this is shadow for the one object I have given. Now I'll take another object, circle, another layer, separate layer. See, not in that layer. Separate layer and take. Okay?
Yes.
You take any other color. Next, double click on the layer. Same. Drop shadow. Take normal. Any color you pick. So you can pick any color you want. Opacity full. Now, if I try to change this, observe carefully. I am changing the circle now. What is happening?
Both are moving.
See, I'm moving only circle. See, I'm selected only circle layer.
Yeah.
See, layer
Yes.
2 is only selected. I'm
Yes.
trying to change the shadow position for the circle. If I'm trying to change the shadow position of the circle, automatically the rectangle is also changing. That means both can have same type of shadow. See, both can have same type of shadow. I cannot give this one different type of shadows. I cannot give directly. If you give any shadow, all shadows will come only one way of editing only. If you change one, other also will change automatically. But that should not happen because I want rectangle one way, in circle another way I want. But now by default it is not possible because by default you will get both for same. Then how to make different both? Simple. There is one option called use global light here. Use global light.
Global light.
One option, use global light. It is ticked already. It is already ticked by default. You remove that tick. You uncheck that. It is checked. Now I am unchecking that. If you uncheck and if I move, what happens?
Yes, it's moving individually.
Rectangle is not moving now. Only circle is moving. So if
Yes.
you want to give two objects, two different types of shadows, you need to remove this. You need to uncheck this use global light option.
Okay.
If you don't uncheck that, you will get everything same way, same shadow you will get. So this is one important thing for the shadow. So this is
Sir, for
stroke.
two objects, we can give different shadows, means inner and then drop shadow.
Yeah, you can do.
Okay.
You can give, but only if you use global light tick removed. If you remove that tick, you can give different. If
Okay.
it is tick, it will get same thing for both.
Okay.
So this is stroke option. So I'll just remove this. Right click on the layer. There is an option called clear layer style.
Yes.
If I click that, whatever styles you give, that is removed.
Okay.
So you give any styles, it will be removed. So we have seen already stroke, inner shadow, inner glow,
Yeah.
outer shadow, outer glow. Next is
Yeah.
color overlay. What is meant by color overlay? It is changing the color.
Yes.
Color overlay is nothing but changing the color of the object.
Okay.
From one color to another color you can change. Single color. Similarly, gradient overlay means gradient color. Pattern overlay means patterns.
So it will change as per the options, we select.
Whatever you select here in the list, whatever the
For an
multicolor you pick, it will change.
Okay.
You
For
can
an
change
object.
you can change the angle here. You can change the size. Everything you can control for that
Okay.
gradient. The same way for the pattern also. Here, any mode you want, you can take. Same I will give for pattern. Same normal opacity, full dark. Next, scale, scale less, big. Okay, see, this is small
Yeah.
size. Little bit bigger, bigger, bigger. It is dark. Okay. So
Okay.
this is about color overlay, gradient overlay, pattern overlay. So these are the three options: color, single color; gradient, multicolor;
Okay.
pattern, pattern. Pattern means it will apply pattern there. So next, what we left is satin. That is one thing we left, and bevel, which is in the top. The remaining all we have covered. So first we'll
Yeah.
see bevel, then we'll see satin. What is bevel? So to understand this bevel, I'll just make this size little bit bigger, and I'll change the color to any other color. So like this, I have given one color. Double click. So there is an option called bevel and emboss. You click that. You click that. In the side, you will get bevel and emboss options. In that, the first thing you need to do is depth. You need to keep depth full. You give the depth full. After giving the depth, you increase the size gradually. If I increase in the size gradually, slowly, see what is happening? You are getting inside the rectangle. Again, you are getting one more rectangle. Rectangle. Inside that, you are getting one more rectangle, right?
Yes.
So that is called bevel. That is called as what? Bevel. So rectangle, in that one more rectangle.
It's coming like a 3D, 3D type
Yeah,
of
3D
thing.
shape.
Yeah, 3D
3D
shape.
shape you can make it. The more
Yeah.
you give size, the more it will go down. So I'm just
Yep.
giving one. So okay, it will apply like that. Same thing you can try for any shapes. There are so many shapes in custom shapes. There are so many shapes, right?
Yeah.
I'll take butterfly, take
Okay.
layer, select that butterfly, apply any single color you want. Now this is just single object. Now double click on that. Here, what I will do, I will apply bevel, increase depth, increase size little bit, so that it will look like a 3D shape, 3D
Yeah,
butterfly.
Yes.
So we are giving Z axis also now. Only
Yes.
X and Y are there till now. We are making depth Z axis.
Yes.
We are giving depth for the objects. So for any object, for any even text also, you can create the same effect. Okay. So depth, that is bevel. Now using this bevel, we'll do one chocolate design. So I will just take one small rectangle design, just like a chocolate piece. One chocolate piece.
Yes. Okay.
I'll just take chocolate color. So I'll try to take chocolate color here. Apply that chocolate color there. So if you want darker chocolate, you can still give dark color chocolate color. So we'll take somewhat darker color. Okay. So I'm just giving that dark chocolate color there. Double click on the layer. Give bevel and emboss. Give depth full. Increase the size, just like it look like a chocolate. Okay. See, you are getting one chocolate piece now. Now after giving this bevel, there is an option called counter, sub option in that.
Okay.
Okay. The same counter you can find in the down also here. Here down. Or you can directly separately you can apply from here also. Here there are some different curve designs are there. By default, it is in the first one. This one, first one.
Yeah.
There are other designs also. Based on the design you select, that it is changing. See.
Yes.
It is changing. See. Yes or no?
Yes.
So remember, you can apply from here, or you can take from here in the down also directly. So you can take any design you want. So I'm just taking one design, whichever I want. Next, there is opacity. You can decrease, increase. See, it is becoming light and dark. See, this opacity. Like that, you can change. Finally, if you like it, okay. So now this is one chocolate piece. For example, I'll take text. I'll type Cadbury and just decrease the size of that one. So I'll make it move on that. I'll give this one text color black color. I'll still decrease the size as much small as possible. Okay. Then zoom it little bit, zoom, Control T, and I will rotate the text. Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
Just like in the cross. Now here I'll give opacity come. I am giving opacity less for the text, so that the text will be merged in that chocolate, just like a printed. It is like this dark. I'm just making lighter, so that it will mix. See, if you see normal, you'll get like this Cadbury. Now this is one piece. Group this. This is one piece. You group it. Just decrease the size little bit. Still, how much you want, you can decrease. This is one piece of chocolate. Make copies of it. Make another copies of this. Again, select everything. Group. So this is one chocolate design. I've done.
Yes, sir.
Just Control T. You can rotate in whichever angle you want. You can place it. See, one chocolate piece. I've done. Hide that, and I will take a new layer. In that new layer, I'm again drawing one big rectangle box. See, like this in the down. Big rectangle box. Okay. In that big rectangle box, I will apply that same chocolate color. Same chocolate color I'm applying. After that, in filter menu, you'll see that later also again. In filter menu, in this sort, there is an option called trill. We'll see these all effects later, no problem. When we are seeing that menu, just now that effect is required, I'm using. This start, there is an effect called trill. You'll get trill box. You can change any direction, left side or right side. I'm just making left towards left, See, just like a wave, chocolate
Yeah.
wave. Now you
Yes.
can hide that chocolate which is coming in the bread. You can make it move up. Press Ctrl T, rotate, still even decrease the size little bit. You can still decrease little bit. In place. See, this is chocolate design and way of chocolate. In background, you can take any light color background like that. Okay. Now this
Yeah.
wave height is very big. I'm just decreasing little bit that wave height. Okay. Now you can take text. You can type any text there. Cadbury chocolate. So I'll take the text color to black. See, you can change the text size. You can change the text style also, whatever style you want. So I'm just changing to different style. Okay. Now you can put that anywhere. For the text, double click. You can apply shadow and glowness, both for the text. See? So we are just design on banner or anything for the chocolate ad.
Yes.
So we can do like this any type of. So this 3D shape how you are getting is using bevel.
Yes.
So if you want, you can save file, save. If you save, by default it will save in PSD.
Yes.
If you want to edit later, if you want to use this later, and if you want to edit this one, you save in PSD. So I'm saving in documents. So I'm saving it as chocolate. So later I can open this file and I can edit this file anytime. So if you want to make changes later also, you save as PDF, PSD first.
Yeah. Yes.
PSD file. So that later you can open that file and you can do any changes. If you don't want to edit this later, just save in image or any other format you want.
Yeah.
Because there are other formats also, not only PSD, there are other formats also you can change, different formats. But by default, if you save, it will save in PSD. Next, I'll take another new file now. Web, okay. Again, I'm taking rectangle box. But now this time, I'm taking layer first, and I'm taking rectangle box, total screen size. See, total entire screen size I'm taking. Take any color, apply. See, entire screen, the layer is there. See, okay.
Yeah.
In layer 1.
Yeah. Yeah.
Double click on that. Apply bevel. There is one more sub option in that bevel. We already seen counter, but there is one more option called texture.
Okay.
In that, open texture. In texture, there are patterns only. Number of patterns. Not only this, you can have other patterns, color paper patterns. So many patterns you can find. See, these are all patterns only. I'll select any pattern. Okay. See, that pattern is applying there. But actually, if you see the pattern, this is the actual pattern. That is the actual color of the pattern.
Okay.
So we are
because of
we are
layer.
applying the same pattern in different color.
Yes.
So if you want to apply the same pattern in different color, you can use texture. Can use
Okay.
texture. The design is same, the same design, same this design only, but color is not original color. We are applying any new color there. Then whichever color you want. If you want, you can take the original and you can check and compare. Okay. This is the original color. So like that, you can just change the color. Every time if you just change the color, the pattern, you can apply multicolors also if you want in the pattern. Take any multicolor you want. Apply. See, you're getting the same pattern but multicolor.
Multicolor, yes.
The design is same. Like that, you can try different textures and you can apply. See, the design is same but not single color, multicolor. So these things you cannot do normally. You can do it here only in texture. So this is about total about bevel and emboss. last we left is satin. What we left is now the last one is satin. So what is that satin? So I'll delete this. I'll take a box, take layer, apply any color. Okay, now that box is there. Or I'll just increase little bit size.
Sir, just 1 minute.
Hmm.
Could you please tell that option again, sir? The previous one which we did. Little confusing there.
Double click. First you take any object, double click, select bevel. In that bevel,
Okay.
sub option texture.
Okay.
In the texture, there are patterns.
Yes.
You can select. When you select, that will apply.
Yes.
That's simple. So next is satin. So when you select satin, you put normal mode. You take any color you want. So here there is size. You can change it. You can move. See what is happening? You are getting some designs inside the shape. When I move,
Yeah.
you are getting these type of design. Okay. I will increase the size. Now you move. Now you are getting other type of design.
Yes.
Increase size more. Now you are getting other design. So based on the size, you will get the shape here design. Not only that, based on the curves also, counter also. Based on the curves also you will get. Now starting curve it is there. I'll take any other curve. Okay. Now you try to move. See. So you can create some object inside that, some designs. See.
Yeah.
Different design. Size less like this. I'm increasing the size gradually. The designs also changing. See, different designs. Again, still increase, still move it. So you can create object. In that object, you can put some designs which are ready-made there. That is called satin. If you press OK, you'll get that one. So this is about total layer styles which you are there. Not only this, you can apply predefined styles also. These are all which we are creating, manually. There are some ready-made styles which are already existing. Double click on the layer for layer style. These all we are creating. Means we are selecting, we are giving, and we are applying manually. Not manually. There are some ready-madely available styles which are already created by Photoshop, where you can find in the styles, in the top styles.
Okay.
Pick that styles. You can get some styles. See, you're getting some styles. So these are ready-madely available styles. You can apply that style. That style will apply to the text.
Okay.
So these are all ready-made.
Text or object, whatever we take.
Whatever you take, you can apply. Not only these styles, you can click the settings button from abstract styles to web styles. These are all our styles only. So there are so many styles you can find. These are all our styles. If you take text effects, you get all text related styles. You select any one. So these styles, they use stroke, they use inner shadow, they use bevel, they use gradient, they use drop shadow. But to get this effect, they use all these effects.
Okay.
You can go to gradient and you can change the color if you want. Same effect, color is different.
Yeah.
You can go to shadow, you can change the shadow color. Means you can change the existing styles also. These are all text options, which will look on text. Like that, there are web styles also. We can apply. This is only outline. Different colors in outlines. Okay. Like that, so many styles you can find. Okay, it will apply there.
Okay.
For example, I will take another circle now, another layer. Now, for this circle also, I want same style. For this circle also, I want same style which is there for text. Whatever the style you given for text now, The same style I want to give for this circle. Again, going and searching is waste of time. Simply there is a shortcut. Just right click on the text layer. Right click on the text layer. There is an option called copy layer styles.
Yeah.
Copy styles and right click on the object layer and paste styles. Simple. So you are copying from text and pasting in the object.
Yeah.
That means if you give one style, the same styles you want for another layer, you can copy paste directly.
Okay, it can be done. Yeah.
So it is easy so that you can apply. So now there is one more point we need to see here is, for example, I am taking a circle. I want only stroke, no fill color. I want only stroke.
Stroke.
Means sometimes we require only outline, no inside object.
Okay.
But if I give layer styles, if I give stroke, it is coming?
No.
No, it's not coming. Because the layer style stroke will come only when you have fill color. If you have fill color, if you double click, if you give stroke, it is coming.
Okay.
But I don't want inside object, inside no color. But still I want outline. So if for that situation, you draw, okay, right click inside that, you have stroke. Right click inside the selection, you have stroke. So you'll get stroke box. Give how much thickness? 20. Which color? Red. Inside, outside, center. Outside. Okay. See, red color you are getting. Again right click, again stroke. Again I will give 10. Center. Color, another color. So you are getting again right click, stroke. Now I will give 5. Inside. Color, green. See, now you are getting 3 colors there. Red, blue, green. Right? So this is only outline. Nothing is there in the middle. See, if I try to move in the middle, it will not move. I can move only outline only. See? Only outside line I can move. Inside, if I try to move, no, it is not possible. Only outline. See, only outline I can move. Inside, no, I cannot. Okay. So this is about outline, inline objects. So this is about how we can apply styles. This is stroke, only stroke. Got it? Because we'll apply sometimes only stroke only. So I will take a circle, layer, right click, stroke. I'll just use stroke 8 pixels. Then double click on that layer. Go to styles. You can apply any style you want. So I'm applying somewhat silver color style. Okay. Control T. I'll decrease the size to small size. So what is this logo?
Audi logo, I think.
Audi car logo. So you can take text. You can type Audi. You can change the text style to any style you want. You want bold, you can make it bold. Text color red. Increase the text size. This is Audi car logo. Like that, you can do any type of logos we can create. So next class, I will show you some logos to create, how to create. Okay. You also tell me in the class how you can do that. Okay. So that we'll do in discussion manner. So that we'll do both at a time. So after that, tomorrow I will explain this file menu also. First menu, file menu. So we'll do some logos and we'll do file menu tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
After that, edit menu. File edit is also big menu only. Image little bit smaller. Layer is again big. Filter is again big. Type, select, these are all small things only. We can cover 2 menus in one day. Again in Windows, some options are there. So mostly around 4 or 5 classes, 5 to 6 classes maximum it will take to complete all this.
Okay, sir.
So So another 5-6 classes Photoshop will be completed. Then we can go for CorelDRAW or Illustrator, any other thing.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
But the problem is CorelDRAW I cannot teach online. CorelDRAW we can do only offline now. That is the only problem we have. Because if I try
Okay,
to
sir.
open the software in online, the CorelDRAW
Yeah,
software
yeah.
it will get stuck with it.
Yeah, yeah, I know, sir. It happened with me when I was in Himachal. Accidentally, once I was online. Then since you had given me the copy, I had to reinstall again
With the
because it was
reinstall,
not
right?
allowing. It was not
So that
allowing.
is the problem. Yeah, that's the problem.
Yeah.
So if you are using CorelDRAW, you need to make net off. That's why we cannot
Yes.
do online class session.
No problem, sir. When Coreldo starts, we will see how to do it, sir.
Yeah, we'll do
Offline.
CorelDRAW or we'll start Illustrator. If you are coming offline, we'll start CorelDRAW. That's the thing. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, please send the class recording now only, so I start practicing, sir.
Yeah, it will take 15 minutes time. After 15
No
minutes, I will
problem,
send
sir.
it.
No problem. Yeah,
Yeah,
please send it. Huh?
yeah. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.